The most frequently asked question sa akin ng aking mga clients is HM. 'Di ba? Alam na natin kung ano yung HM, how much. Lagi yan tinatanong sa akin. Now, that's a good question para alam mo if you have the budget and the finances to set up your own shop. However, I believe that there are other important questions na dapat tinatanong din natin because we may have the budget, pero kung hindi naman profitable yung papasukin natin at wala namang masyadong potential, eh bakit pa natin pinasok? Baka after a while, eh sabihin natin, palugi lang naman pala tong negosyo na to, hindi naman to pala pang long term, no? And so on. So we have to ask those questions as well. And finally, very important, ask yourself why you want to get into this business. Why? Because marami din po mga challenges ang negosyong ito on a day-to-day operational basis, no? So just like any other business, marami mga challenges, mga problema na dapat po nating harapin, okay, when we are already doing the business. And if we're not totally committed, di ba? Kung hindi naman tayo talaga 100% na gusto natin na pasukin itong negosyo na to, I don't think magugustuhan mo yung business in the long run. So you have to be sure that you're committed and you want to learn more and more about this business in the days to come, in the years to come. Diba? Ako po personally, nakakatuwa kasi kahit after 10 years of doing the business, ang dami ko pa pong natututunan about this business. Marami pa po mga techniques, mga tips, mga strategies and tactics na natututunan ko every day as I continue to learn more about the laundry industry in the Philippines. Philippines pa lang yon, eh lalo na worldwide. Marami din po mga technologies about laundry na nakaka-excite, na wala pa po dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So ask these questions, profitable ba, may potential, and why do you want to get into this business? And of course, ask the question, how much?